Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Hello Sobat Getris, I will try to teach all of you how to create sticker and then we use to WhatsApp. Yeah, okay. I think I have image like this. Yeah, I plagiarize on any sticker, but I will modify this. Okay, I have space 5 centimeters width and 5 centimeter height, but now I will try to modify first. Copy and paste. Yeah, I want to create like this. Okay, no outline. See, okay, and I will make well here. Okay, that's it. I will repair first, delete. Okay, delete. Okay, zoom. Okay, delete. Okay, let's check here. Okay, that's it. Yeah, I want to make outline, and then this outline I would put here. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'll see here what sorry, check this. Okay, here I think this. Yeah, I give the line. Okay, 3 here, 2. Okay, but I want to make on spot. Yeah, sip. Okay, that's it. It's finished, I think. Now make a group like this. Yeah, and then I will transformation. Where is it? Transformation. This. Okay, I want to here apply. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Now I will to convert this to PSD. Yeah, to PSD. Shift keeper. Okay, PSD. Okay. I will replace this. I will replace this file. Okay. Now we'll open Photoshop. That is my Photoshop. Okay, that's it. Now I will open the file here. Okay, let's check. Okay, that's it. The size, okay, 5 centimeter, 300 pixel. Here we can take text. Yeah, maybe text. Where is the text? Okay, wow, very okay. Okay, yeah, rest. I will change the color to okay. check this. Okay, if you want to make another effect, maybe I click like this. Yeah. Okay, put right pick pen bucket, Control D, Control T, make like this. Yeah, I want to use filter and give a blur, Gaussian blur. You can see the result. If okay, you can push this button okay. We'll try to make a bigger. That's it. Yeah, move here first. Okay, and then the ledger put down. Okay, we'll do this. Okay, it's enough. And I want to make a blending, outer glow, I think. Okay, normal, maybe white, increase the spread and the size like this. Yeah. Okay, I want to make a bigger than before. Okay, it's finished. But now we can save to PNG format. Okay, like this. Maybe sticker copy. Okay, it's enough. Yeah, but now try to open your WhatsApp group. Yeah, we'll example, and I will try to put here. I have WhatsApp on myself. Yeah, and then you can push this button and new sticker, and you must find this sticker. Yeah, and then open. You will check. After that, you can take this. Yeah, that's finished. Our sticker have sent to this WhatsApp. Okay, it's very easy, I think. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next session. If you want to ask a question, you can leave on my comment. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.